how to use Clonovate, what is the benefit of Clonovate, what Clonovate can do for your skin, and how to boost your skin with Clonovate. This is the video is going to be about Clonovate. Hello beauties, hello beauties, welcome to Vhenbeauty channel. I hope you guys are doing fine and doing well. I just want to say thank you to all of you guys. If it's your first time, welcome. And my name is Vhen, and in this channel we talk more about skincare. We do review about product. We talk more about skincare. In this channel you're going to learn more about your skin and how to maintain your skin, how to take care of your skin, and how to lightening your skin, okay, in this channel. And don't forget to like and to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like and to subscribe this channel. And thank you for my old goodie buddy, welcome back again. Thank you. I just want to say thank you to all of you. Okay, we're going to talk about Clonovate. We're going to talk more about Clonovate today. We're going to talk about Clonovate. It's been a while I've done the video about Clonovate. I'm not going to take so long. I'm going to do a series of Clonovate. We're going to start the series of Clonovate because I decided to do some series. Like I'm doing the series of how to take off your skin. You go and watch it. If you didn't watch it, go and watch it. It was my previous video, but this is the series of how to take off your skin. And now we're going to do the series how to use Clonovate to boost your skin. This is going to be the series how to use Clonovate to boost your skin, and I'm going to teach you guys how to use it, what kind of product you're going to use. Remember, we're going to put it on head. Sometimes the product can work for me, it cannot work from you. It can work for somebody else, it cannot work from you. Or it can work for somebody else, it cannot work for me. Because we have different type of skin and we have different type of way to react product. Sometimes the product can take longer on me, and some people it can take short. Like it can be like quicker. It can take like, it can be quicker to react. But some people it can take a long process to react. But you need to be patient. Everything you need to be consistent. With Clonovate you need to be consistent and you need to be patient to use it. And you need to know how to mix it and how to use it. And good announcement I'm going to tell you guys. Some people was asking me if we have Clonovate or we was out of stock of Clonovate due to this COVID, and it was hard for us to ship it here due to so many requirements is on this product, because it's not any product you can just ship like this, because it's kind of medical product and the cream is a lot of requirement. And I'm just going to announce you guys, which I'm so happy myself, I'm so excited just to announce you guys, Clonovate is coming soon. In a few weeks we're going to receive Clonovate here. And for people who's waiting on waiting list, I'm just announcing you guys, Clonovate is coming, and be ready before the Clonovate finish. You know, this cream when it comes, people want to take in box sometimes for selling because it's not easy to find the cream. Be ready, Clonovate is coming. And also we're taking the pre-order before it comes. It will be coming in a few weeks. Just be ready, save your money, be ready, and don't come and ask me so many questions, because I already told you guys the product is coming soon. I'll put my data down below. You can text only about if you're interested to buy the product, or you can text, because sometimes you guys just text like I don't know. Anyway, this is Clonovate is coming. Alright, wish all of us should be excited. People are waiting for Clonovate. We should be excited. The product is coming, and this is what I wanted to announce you. And I'm going to teach you how to use Clonovate, to show you how to use Clonovate. And also, if you have like experience with Clonovate, you're listening to this video, or you have used Clonovate and you have the experience, please comment down below. We want to know your experience. We want to know what you use, what Clonovate was with you. But Clonovate is a good product to use. It's so good, and it's so good, and it's only the way how to use it. But sometimes it cannot work with certain people. Sometimes it work with certain people. If it didn't work with you, don't worry. It can work with somebody. You can fix it. You can find a way to make it to work for you. Okay. You can find, if it didn't work on a lotion, you can find another way to use it for that to work. Always find a way to boost, because it's like a booster. It's a booster. Like it boosts your cream to make you like it boost. It's a booster. That's why people always mix it with the cream, because the Clonovate is a booster. It boosts your skin. It make it like brighter. Like instead of using those things to damage your skin, you use it with this cream. It boosts your skin. It doesn't mean you have to use it raw. Some people ask the question, can you use Clonovate? Well, you can't use it like this raw. It's going to damage your skin, because Clonovate is a strong cream. Is a dermatological cream. It's medicated. It's like a medication. If you use it raw, like you have a problem with your skin, Clonovate is meant to be done for people suffering for skin problem. People has asthma, has dermatitis, and has a different skin problem, chronic disease, chronic skin disease. That is Clonovate is meant to be used, but people use it in different way to lighten their skin. Okay, and it works for, if people use it to lighten their skin, and it works and give them bright, you can become like a Beyonce. You can become like a light the way you want if you find a way how to use it. But you can't use it without mixing the product, because it's like a booster. You have to use it with any lotion, but not a strong lotion who has a hydroquinone inside. No, you can't do that. You damage your skin. Because some people ask me, can we use it with no, you can't. Don't do that, because it's going to make your skin to be fragile. It's like a medication. Clonovate is like a medication. You have a skin problem, or asthma, or skin reaction, you can use it only for maybe for 5 days or 7 days, and you leave it. If you want to use it that way, and you leave it, but don't use it continually, because it's going to make your skin fragile and soft and fragile. You don't want it. What you want to do is to mix it to boost your cream and to boost your skin. That's what we want. Okay? Don't come and ask me, can I use it raw? Can I mix it with this? No, you don't mix it with this. You mix it with a lotion. You can get any lotion which is suitable from your skin, depending how you want to use it. If you want to go 3 shade, 4 shade, then depending how you're going to use it. I'm going to teach you guys how to use. I'm going to give you all how to teach you how to use it, because I'm selling it, and I have been using it. I have used it before, and I saw myself the experience from that. And it's good cream, and it's very good, and you remain the good cream, the best cream for boosting. Okay, and you can put the serum on it. I'm going to show you. But first of all, you need to know how to take care of your skin. If you want to lighten your skin, you need to know how to take care of your skin. It's not only putting lotion, but you need to maintain it as well. If you want to get a good result, you need to know how to take care of your skin. And know in skincare is a hard time. It's take a time, and it's hard job. But you need to put all your energy if you want to achieve something. If you want to achieve something, you need to put all your energy there to achieve something. Okay, was only the short video, and the short video to say we're going to start with the series of Clonovate, how to boost your skin, how to use it, how to maintain your skin with Clonovate. We're going to do all that, because I've done the video, previous video before, which product to use to mix with Clonovate. And if you guys have any question, please put down below. I want to know your question before I do a next video, and I can answer you from question instead of answering one by text message or by WhatsApp or by email. It takes time. Sometimes I don't answer you because I'm so busy. Just put all the question together, comment down below here for people watching me who are interested of Clonovate. They want to know about Clonovate, they want to learn about Clonovate, they want to buy Clonovate. If you have any question, please comment down below. The next video, I'm going to answer all the question, and I'm going to answer question by question, and I'm going to tell you which cream to use and how to use it and how to get the good result. We're going to talk about this. Please comment down below, give us your experience, how you use it, what Clonovate done for you. Clonovate is good as well if you have a pimple, blemishes, and even you have a, when you shave, for men, when you shave you have a bumps comes. Clonovate is good, it removes those bumps, and also it's so good, make your skin soft and nice. It's so good. I can do video of Clonovate 100 times because I have insurance of this cream, and I know I cannot come here in the camera to give a video for which cream is not working. Please leave your comment down below if you want to know more about Clonovate, and don't forget Clonovate is coming on Vhenbeauty. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, which is Vhenbeauty, and on Facebook, which is Vhenbeauty as well. Follow us on Facebook, which is Vhenbeauty, and on Instagram, which is Vhenbeauty as well. And Vhenbeauty is we still working on something, but for the Vhenbeauty you see here is almost there. And don't forget to go and follow us on Vhenbeauty. You see here to check what product we have for hair for women. If you want to be, you know, beauty is our inspiration and fashion is our inspiration, then go and follow us. Okay, follow us on Vhenbeauty and on Instagram and on Facebook, Vhenbeauty as well, for people want to know about product, what product we're selling. And for you guys who want to know about hair, the hair, we're launching our website soon for the hair. Like I said last time, we're launching our website soon. We're still working on it. It's not easy, but we're going to be there soon. And we're going to be there soon. Don't forget to follow us on Vhenbeauty Luxury here as well on Instagram and on Facebook. And thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe this video and like it. If you love it, like it, and share with your friend and your family. People want to know more about skin, and people want to know more about Clonovate. Okay, share. Good news is we're receiving Clonovate in few weeks. Ladies, place your order before you be left out, because when it's finished, when you guys start texting, we're going might not have more, and it might take a time again to bring it, because it's a long process to bring it in this country. So many requirements, like I said in previous video. Thank you so much. See you to the next video. Bye.